Hey, here I have a Samsung Galaxy A55 with Exynos processor. The phone is FRP locked. I will show you in this video how to unlock it using EFT Pro. This is a step-by-step tutorial, so let's go. In fact, EFT Pro team has released a huge update that allows you to unlock FRP on a large number of Samsung phones with Exynos processor in just one click. We're going to test this method on this Samsung Galaxy A55 and see the result together. So let's go. As you can see and as expected, the phone is FRP locked. Now we're going to unlock it. So first, power off your phone. Then you need to put your phone on download mode. To do this, you need to press both the volume up and volume down buttons while you're connecting the phone to the computer. Perfect, now you are in download mode. Press the volume up to confirm. Now go to EFT Pro Tool on Samsung section, click on it, go to FRP and select the first choice and click Start. You have a warning that informs you that you have to close any software using ADB. Click on OK. Now just step back and watch. Perfect. As you can see, the unlock process is really easy. Now let's verify that the phone has been successfully unlocked. As you can see, we now have access to the phone again and it's completely unlocked. At this point, I still recommend going into the setting menu and performing a factory reset. This way, there will be no trace of the unlock process left and you can start fresh with a fully secured phone. So you need to go to settings, next about phone, and then reset. And click on factory data reset. And again, reset, delete all. The reboot process will take some time and that's completely normal. In the meantime, I invite you to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to save this video so you can find it more easily later. Okay, now the phone is completely reset. Let's check one last time that everything is okay. Perfect. As you can see, the phone is completely unlocked. This method works on a large number of Samsung devices with Exynos processor. If you want to learn how to bypass FRP lock on a Samsung phone using other methods, I recommend these two videos. We show you two additional methods you can use. See you in the next one.